Meet Joe. Joe is late for work, and now his car is broken down, and he is stuck on the side of the road. He needs to get his car repaired fast, but Joe wants to find someone he can trust and offers quality service. That is when Joe found us. We offer affordable and quality repairs and service. Our trained technicians can get you back on the road fast. Don't just call the first garage that pops up on your phone. Give us a call first. We offer name brand parts and superior service at a rate you can afford. Just call the number listed below and we can get you a complete and detailed estimate and get you back on the road as fast as possible. Call us today.